Oh man, my woman was driving, so she's got it all the way up. Let's get that start though. Let's get that good feeling. You can tell she was in here because look, the air conditions are closed here. So already yesterday we put 115 miles on it. You guys can see it there right now. All right. Keep that down for a second so I don't get taken off. Good morning, guys. We are almost all moved in to our new house. Bought the Gladiator, obviously you guys seen. We are going to be taking it now down to Discount Tires to go meet our guy. Is it Sean or Seth? I think it's Sean. But he's going to see if we can pick out some tires and some rims for it. Been a couple days with it. We can't just leave it like how it is. So I'm going to take these off. I think I'm going to go 37s. Not sure yet. Everyone's saying you got to go big, got to go bigger. But I don't want to take off the stock shocks that are currently on the Mojave just because that's what I paid for. I paid a whole bunch of money for the Mojave. So I might as well go ahead and keep what I paid for on it. So we're going to see if we can fit 37s in there without no spacers and see what type of rims and wheels. Maybe have to just get a bigger offset for it. But yeah, so guys, stay tuned. We're going to have a fun day. I'll be able to go through, pick out some rims, some tires. You guys will help me choose through some of them. And then maybe by the end of the day, I'll buy some. You guys let me know if you like them, and then I can switch them out or anything like that as well. So should be exciting time, guys. A lot of fun things happening. Stay tuned, man. Definitely. And everyone who's been asking, no, I didn't trade in the Genesis. I still have the G70 here. Still sitting, just gonna let it probably sit for a little bit, but there's the beauty of the day. There's the one that's getting changed, right? The green looks kind of crazy, guys. It sometimes looks like it's brown sometimes too. And there's a woman's Mercedes, got to bring that inside for her. But yeah, so here are those current 33s that are sitting on the vehicle itself. So we're going to be getting rid of those there. This front end sits high, but that back end sits a lot higher there. So that's going to be pretty exciting. We used the Gladiator a lot this couple days doing shopping, getting the house together. Only thing I'm mad about the Gladiator, guys, that I didn't do was actually get the leather seat. That's the only thing that I didn't get in the vehicle that I really wanted. So that was a little upsetting, but beautiful Arizona outside house view. You guys get a chance to take a look. A little different from our city life, but man, is that beautiful or what? You guys get a chance to look out that every single morning. So that's pretty exciting. All right, guys. All right, guys, so we're about to go pick up the Gladiator, see how it looks. We got some 37s on it, wheels and tires. So this thing should look pretty good. Make sure you guys let us know if you do like it or should we switch it. Maybe we went too big, maybe we went too small. Remember, we kept the stock Fox suspension, shocks, everything on it because we paid so much for the Mojave, so we might as well just kept that on it. And we're gonna see how it operates and runs on that. We might lift it, we might, or give it a bigger lift from this point, but you guys are about to see it with us. We're about to reveal it, so we're excited to see it. Shout out to Sergio at Discount Tires. If you're in the Phoenix area, go see Sergio. Did hook it up, so he helped me pick it out. Same day service, so pretty excited, guys. Can't wait to see it. Then we got a bunch of other videos coming for it. There it goes.
There it is.
Wow, up on the ramp and everything. Oh, I thought I was already in it.
You didn't put the orange on it.
Oh, man. Let's take a look. Baby, you like them?
I love those.
Oh.
Wow.
Oh. Oh.
I do like those.
Look at it. Look at it. Those are some big boy tires. Look at it.
Did you get a spacer?
No spacer. Oh.
I like how they put it up on the roof.
I know. Oh man. Yeah. picked up it. You guys seen it, take a look. So once again, we didn't add any extra modifications to it. Everything is stock on this. 37s fit perfectly right now. He said there might be a little bit of a rub to it if I do some crazy off-roading, but we went some 37s. I'll put the link to the information of the rim and the tire size and everything down below of what we went. I did get some Goodyear mud tires, the Kevlar edition on them, but this thing, I mean, driving excellent, man. I don't feel any sluggish. I don't feel any kind of like any holdback with the V6 engine in here. It all just feels good, man. I mean, so I'm glad that I didn't really have to change anything just yet. I'm not planning, once again, I know there's a ton of, you know, serious Jeep people out there. I'm not a real serious Jeep guy yet, as of yet. So I know if I do get serious, I'm probably gonna wanna update everything and get a bigger lift and stuff, but kind of wanted to keep this a little Baja ready, man. I mean, you know, take this out against a Raptor and things like that. So really excited about it. Tons of videos to come. I told you guys we're buying some cars. We got a surprise that we might be getting, I guess I'll tell you, we might be getting a C8 Corvette. We might have picked up an order for a convertible. So we'll let you know, but in that case, we'll probably have to trade in the G70 or the Mercedes, something like that. So we got some more stuff that are coming to the channel. You guys stay tuned. I'm telling you guys, we're gonna do a bunch more. Help me decide on what's next. Should I put, you know, some power steps on it? Should help me get this through phase 1 to phase 2 to phase 3, all the way through, guys, okay? Make sure you subscribe, hit that like button. Stay tuned. Real Car Guys, Real Car Guy Reviews, guys. Thank you.